Hi everyone, this is Broker Station. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I won't be showing you any tutorial. In fact, I'll be following someone's tutorial. Recently, वो uploaded Selena Gomez's Nuke makeup tutorial that she wears in everyday makeup. So I was really intrigued to try it. Without any further ado, let's hop into it. She is using her Weightless foundation. So I have Weightless foundation. I have a Weightless foundation by Lakme 925. I'm gonna make the dots like. Oh no, उसने nose पे नहीं लगाया है. No, wait. By the way, I have also done my hairstyle according to her. So
would be
okay,
my
which
Weightless,
concealer is she using
concealer.
right now?
I change color all the time, so for instance, I'm going to use both colors, a little lighter and a
Okay.
little darker.
I have only one concealer, so it doesn't matter anyway.
Next, these are my liquid blushes.
She is
By the way,
using
this is my
liquid
favorite.
blush. I don't have a liquid blush, so I will be making that liquid blush. I have this liquid lipstick right now with me, and it's the same shade as she is using. This lipstick is by Swiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's matte, so I'm gonna be mixing it with moisturizer. I'm not taking too much of moisturizer, just a little bit. I'm experimenting it for the first time too, so hopefully it works. Ooh, it looks nice. I mean, I didn't expect it to look this nice, but yeah, it looks very natural, like as if it's my own skin. It's not. Bronzer. She is using bronzer. I don't have any bronzer, so I'm going to use this very famous hack of using eyeshadow instead of bronzer. I forgot to hit the recording button and wasn't able to show that I applied bronzer. I'll be taking this shade because I think this shade is somewhere closer to what she is using. Wait. She's not applying all over her lid, she's just applying right at the outside like this and at the crease.
I kind of go in shiny.
So now she's using something jittery, so I'm using the same palette, this shade. Brushing my eyebrows. Eyeliner. To be honest, I love being eyeliner, and by the way, I'm using this normal Lakme Insta liner.
Start where your eye kind of looks directly straight. Does that make sense? And then I go underneath it to create the line that I want.
I'm done with eyeliner, so next step. She is using liquid highlighter, and I have a liquid highlighter, but it's not in the shade that she is using right now. She's applying concealer above all. Nice trick, like nice technique. I love this technique. Now my under eyes are brightened. So next up we have Selena. Yes. Oh, I don't have this blotting paper. Powder. I don't have Huda Beauty lashes, but I have Fat Lash by Oriflame, which works perfectly fine.
For Blackpink.
So she is
And the music
using
video
pink
did.
lipstick, and I don't know the brand. I guess it's her brand only. Yeah, it's her brand. Selena Gomez has released her own line of makeup, so you can check it out. I'll be using this pink lipstick by Swiss Beauty because I'm broke. I just want to convey this message to you that it doesn't matter if you have high-end product or not, you can achieve any kind of look using any makeup. In this, I use very affordable products and I followed Selena Gomez's routine. One thing that I really liked the most was how she applied concealer over her highlighter, and it feels like that my skin is glowing naturally. So yeah, that's about it. So if you love this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel because it's gonna help me grow, and hit the bell icon because I want you to be notified every time I'm online.